it's giveaway time. Today I'm going to be giving away this beautiful Victorinox Spartan with King of Bavaria scales. It's brand new and comes in the original box. I'm also going to throw in this awesome Messer HQ sticker. So, we had 80 total entries and I've put them in order from first to last. After the winner is chosen and I can verify that you are in fact a subscriber and over 18, I'll ship the knife out as soon as possible. The winner must contact me through direct message here on YouTube within 48 hours. Failure to do so will result in a redraw. So let's get to it. I'm going to be using random.org. Give me a second. So enter 1 through 80. And let's pick our winner. Select number 54. So let's go to the list. 54, Iraq Relum. Thank you very much. Congratulations on winning this knife. Please contact me within 48 hours and we'll talk about getting you this knife. Thank you guys for entering. Thank you guys for all the support and the subscribers. Yeah, have a great day, guys, and congratulations to the winner.